Splish, splash! Hi, it's me, Lily. I'm playing in the sandbox right now. But I just realized my hands are covered in brown mud. Giggles. I can feel it all sticky and yucky between my fingers. Come look, did you see how muddy I am? My hands feel so gross. My tummy is so hungry right now. Rubs belly. I've got a yummy peanut butter sandwich waiting for me over there. But wait, I'm thinking my hands are super duper muddy. What do you think happens if I eat my sandwich with these dirty, muddy hands? Do you think it tastes good or makes a silly face? Blick! Oh, no. My sandwich tastes like dirt and mud and sand. Giggles. That's not how snacks are supposed to taste. My tummy is sad. My mouth is confused. What am I gonna do? Do you think the dirt made my food yucky? You're so smart. Wait, I have an idea. Claps hands excitedly. What if I just wipe my muddy hands on this grass? Hee. Rubs hands on the grass really fast. Okay. Let me look. Are my hands clean now? No. They're still muddy and now they're green too. Whoops, that didn't work. Okay. New idea. Bounces. What if I use my sunny yellow dress? I can just rub my muddy hands right here on my dress. Rubs hands on dress. There we go. But wait. Oh no. Now my beautiful yellow dress has brown muddy streaks on it. And my hands? Looks down. Still muddy. Hee. Oops. Grass didn't work. My dress didn't work. I'm running out of ideas. Sits down in the sand, looking thoughtful. My hands are still yucky and muddy. My sandwich got ruined. My pretty dress is messy. I need real help. But what can actually make my hands clean and shiny again? Do you know the answer, best friend? Wait, I just remembered. Jumps up and claps, water. I need water and soap. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Runs toward the house. Come with me. There's a sink right over there. Water and soap is the real magic that makes yucky hands clean. Let's go together, okay? Can you run with me? Okay, here we go. Reaches toward the faucet. I'm turning the water on. Can you hear it? Splish, splash, splish, splash. Pretends to turn knob. Look at all that beautiful clean water coming out. Now I'm putting my muddy hands under it. Whoosh! The water is washing the mud away. Can you see the muddy water dripping down? You're watching me get clean. Yay. Wait, I'm not done yet. Giggles. Now comes the best part. I need soap. Reaches for soap bottle. Here it is. Watch this. I'm squeezing the soap into my hands. Splush! Rubs hands together, making big circles. Oh, look at all the bubbles. Splish, splash, splish, splash. The soap helps get the germs off. Rub-a-dub-dub. Can you make circles with your hands like me? Holds hands up to the light. Look. Oh my goodness, look at my hands now. They're so clean, they're shiny, they're pink and beautiful. The mud is completely gone. Splish, splash, splish, splash. That's the magic that worked. Water and soap cleaned away all the yucky germs. My hands feel so much better now. They look so pretty. Don't they look sparkly? Okay. Now the real test. Runs to the kitchen, a fresh new sandwich just waiting for me. And guess what? Now my hands are clean. Picks up the sandwich with clean hands. It tastes so yummy now. No dirt, no sand, just peanut butter goodness. Takes another happy bite. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Finishes eating and turns to look at you. Hey, do you know what I learned today? Water and soap are like magic for our hands. Whenever your hands are dirty, or before you eat, or after playing, you just do splish, splash, splish, splash, and all the yucky stuff washes away. Your hands get clean and you stay healthy and happy. Do you remember the magic?